what we've got here, we've got a range of products which are global collection. You understand interface is global, and what a lot of our blue chip companies are across in America and Asia Pacific and Europe and what have you, and they want a common theme running through from their office in Paris to New York or wherever. So this was one of our very first global products that we can offer clients for that purpose. This one's been out probably about 3 years, 4 years, also, it was one that really encompasses what interface is about, this biophilic design, bringing the outside in, the feeling of well-being, both for the clients and also obviously the staff that actually work within. Very first manufacturer of carpet tiles to pioneer this new transition tile, which allows you to really design your floor completely uniquely to either in the past, and each individual room can be individually installed and designed, so you don't have that sort of corporate one feel right the way through. You can be individualistic. Okay. Basically, what we've got a tile here that is a half and half, if you will. This is the transition, and again, it's up to you whether or not you want to put the solid to this side from your perimeter wall, edging out, or indeed turn it completely the opposite way around and have that against your perimeter wall, turn that tile the other way and have that, and then just have this sort of like shaded area running down the centre of your room.
You said before, like a walkway.
A walkway, yeah. It can also be used very much so for rug effects, both oblong and circular as well. It takes a little bit more cutting, a little bit more ingenuity, but it can be done. It can be done. So again, one of our very first global products, bringing in this design aspect of really sort of moving away from a standard grey, blue or whatever. That's right, yes, yeah, you're absolutely right. So again, you can make a feature on a boardroom table, or in a reception, you can just have it on a circular bit, or indeed, as I said, you could turn this 180 degrees and have that sort of filtered right the way down. So that's Urban Retreat 1. There is an Urban Retreat 2 and 3.
So is that 101? Is that classed as 101, 102, 103?
That's 101, 102, 103. This is Urban Retreat 2. So what you've got here is 201, 202, 203. Totally different. This hasn't got that transition, but again, it's designed to work with the Urban Retreat 1. Okay. And again, it's on the theme of nature, the biophilic design, bringing the outside in. There's very feeling of sort of bark, tree bark, that type of thing. So again, from the same range, Urban Retreat 1, where you've got your transitions, Urban Retreat 2, which is more of your design, sort of very sort of almost corporate. So that's the Urban Retreat 2, and then of course Urban Retreat 3, which is okay, so that's one that's quarter turned, very thick. It is very much so, very much so. Yes,
it's amazing.
So, and as I say, it can be used in conjunction with Urban Retreat 1 as well. But again, I would advocate that if you've got a client interested in this, that we get you full tiles, that we get them all out, play around with them, exactly, and then you move into Urban Retreat 3. What really knits and brings this whole product category or product range together is the fact that we're using the same colour yarns from the 3 to the 2. So for instance, from this one here, you can see straight away that those greys are the same colour.
I noticed that with the
similarly,
and another product. Transformation, I think it might have been. Very similar yarns and product with obviously different touches.
So your end user client can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different options with the same, let's say, their corporate colour, but 6 different options, so it can bring individuality to a floor, to a room, a meeting room with a glass partition, so you can see, so the same theme, the same colours running from that area to another area, knowing full well that you've got the same colour yarn systems in there.
Just with different designs and
different designs. Absolutely.